welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. So we're gonna start by tracing our template on some shrink plastic. I am using a regular graphite pencil, and this is a really simple and easy step, just getting at the basic outline shape. Okay, now we're going in with a paint marker. I'm using a black Sharpie paint marker. Very much recommend it. I like it. It's shiny, bold, and I would just recommend it. Now I'm taking a green Prismacolor pencil and just coloring into those different wing-shaped things. And what's really nice about these butterfly wings is you can do any color. I just chose green because it's a cool color. And you know, you could use any color pencils, but I prefer Prismacolor pencils because they're more high quality and I feel like they're more vibrant. Now make sure to do dark shades and light shades to make it pop. Now this is when the magic comes in. I use a neon green pencil. It really helps it pop. Now after you cut it out, I didn't leave a border. You're gonna use your pencil to mark where you want to hole punch your hole. And there we have it, nice hole punched. And now it's baking time at 270 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 minutes or until they're flat. And here we are going with a few drops of UV resin and a toothpick, and we're just going over it. Make sure your area is well ventilated. Make sure not to cover up the hole. Okay, now I'm adding some neon holographic glitter. This is another key step in my opinion. It makes it better because glitter's cool. Okay, now after you're done, you can cure it for about 5 minutes or so. And now we're on to the hardware. Personally, I like my hardware to cut off the loop and take off all the beading and make it look more professional. That's just my preference, but other than that, you could just open up the loop, add your jump ring, and just add your hardware. And so now I'm going in with a jump ring and threading it through the hole, and yeah, we're done. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.